Hold on, baby. Let me answer this real quick. Who the fuck is it? If it ain't money, I ain't answer. You know me. Hey, hold on. Let me tell this nigga.
I got my money up. Now I'm like, bitch, what? Middle finger up. Cause I don't really give a fuck. I got a lot more haters now, but I don't really give a fuck. Hop up in the truck and hot box with the windows up. Yeah, baby, I'm cool as fuck. These fuck niggas can't do what I do something, man. I wish they would. I'm doing what they wish they could. Giving models hella wood, like I know niggas wish they could. Fall off, they wish I would. Die slow, I wish they would. I ain't Joe Budden, play me pussy, bitch, I wish you would. Nobody for the casket, leave it deep down in the woods. And I ain't hard to find, I be posted right here in the hood. Sissy Cali, baby, let me welcome you to my world. 2 steps, get money, then you get the fly girl. Hard work, entertainment, I'm a fucking pioneer. Look at the calendar, it's 2000 in my year. Your girl see me in Kool-Aid smile, ear to ear. I'm shining like hair, like she staring like a fucking deer. Hennessy Black and Granddaddy got me in the fucking air up there, yeah. And I tell these pussy niggas if they wanna play, we tell them yeah. Oh, they do it, hey, they do it. It's hard work, bitch, you know the music. We get it in, nigga, now let's get to it. Now let's do it. Yeah, Cali motherfucking Cali, you already know, man. Cincy Cali, I would like to welcome you to my world. Yeah, where that blunt at? Hey, Sports, you rolled up yet? Young no. That's on. Let's go. What up, nigga? Yeah. I ain't forgot about this nigga. Yeah.
Hold on, baby. Let me answer this real quick.